It's the Gemini Trader. Charts go up, charts go down.
Hello guys, this is Zane from the Gemini Trader. It is time to mark our weekly chart, so let's get started. Okay, so we're gonna start off with our weekly chart. Okay, and we just, as always, we are going to start our chart by marking the lower and the bottom wick. I'm going to mark this wick, and this wick. Okay, and then I'm going to go on to the daily chart. On the daily chart, I'm going to mark few resist. First of all, I want to mark this lower wick for sure because that will be our first target if you're looking for sales. So I'm going to mark yeah, I'm going to mark this one as the day wick. Okay, cool. All right, and now what I'm gonna do, I'm going to mark my resistance support level. I'm going to use this one and this one. Then I'm going to go down to the lower time frame. I'm going to go to 4 hour. In 4 hour, as we go down, as we all know, we will be refining our zone. So I will mark my zone here. I'm going to mark another zone over here and another one at this level, 28.93. In fact, yeah, no, 28.93. We're going to mark one more. We're gonna mark one more. We're gonna mark one more here. Um, yeah, we have about the 50 pip range here. Okay, and we're going to refine that zone, and I'm going to mark another zone here. And also, we cannot forget to mark our all-time highs here. Okay, and yeah, we look solid. And let's go down to 2 hour time frame. In 2 hour, okay, let's just refine this a little. Let's use that one, and yeah, I'm gonna mark this on. I'm gonna use that support, that resistance, because we have a couple of rejections there. So yeah, if we close, if I use this one, then I have a couple of, I have two body candle close above this level. So I'm just comfortable in using this one. Okay, and I'm going to use mm, okay, let's mark it back down here, then we'll save as if you as we go down to lower time frames. Right, okay, let's go down to 1 hour now. Looks pretty solid. Yeah, okay. Now we are going to refine this one. Mm, I think I'm going to 1 second. No, I will, it's a 40 pip range almost. Yeah, 45 pip range. Let's see. Yeah, 43 pip. Yeah, we can still use this zone. Okay, I'll keep it there. And let's see, what do we have down there? Always remember, guys, the left side is like the rear view mirror for your car, of your car. So always remember to look at the left side of the charts to see what is happening. It tells you the story where the market is going. So technically, the way I see it right now, we are ranging in this zone. So if we have a breakout above 2930 level, we can look to continue to push up. And if you are looking for sell, yeah, we also have some really good selling trade ideas, which we will discuss just in a minute. Um, I'm going to mark two zones, by the way. Yeah, this looks really nice. So I'm going to mark those zones. I'm going to mark one, and I'm going to mark one more. I'm going to mark this one. I think now we are solid. Okay, cool. And yeah, how can I forget that? We're gonna mark this resistance. Okay, let's go down to 30 minutes, refine our zones, add one more zone, and yeah, that is it, fellas. That is it. I think I'm gonna mark this zone as well. I think, yeah, I'm gonna tell you why. Just in a second. Okay, so now let's just talk about our trading plan. First of all, let me tell you why I marked this zone. The reason I marked this zone is because we have a rejection here, That was pretty much that was the what you call during the NFP. And then we have a couple of rejections here, and this is a consolidation zone for me, to be honest. So if the market closes below this level, I don't think I'll be taking a trade. I'll be taking a trade if it closes below this level, because then we have a clean range, a lot of rejections. So um, if the market closes below this level, then there's a very high probability that we will fill out this our daily wick. So for a very good setup, what I'll look for is for a resistance to be formed and then continue pushing down. The day wick will be my first target. My second target would be, all these zones I marked, okay, 28.93 and so on and so forth. And if I'm looking for buys, first of all, as I've discussed in my previous videos as well, I normally do not trade during the agent session on the first day of the week, because a lot of things happen. Market usually opens with a gap, and I just can't find proper structure, if you know what I mean. So what I'm going to do is I'll be trading from pre-London, and from pre-London I'm looking for if you go below above this level, I want some support to be formed. Okay, some of the retracement support to be formed. Then I'm going to target this level. I will probably exit at this level, and then after that, if we have a closure above this level, I would want another support to be formed. Okay, a little bit of retracement, then support to be formed, then target these levels, and hence target our uh, weekly wicks. And but if we have a closure, a 30-minute closure, make sure if I find my arrow above this level, then that means we are gearing up for you know for another all-time highs. So look out for that. You need to be sure what you're looking for before when you start your day. So if I'm starting my day, I'm looking for a particular setup. Like if I'm looking for just sales, I will be only interested in sales. But my usual bias is buys. If I'm looking for sales, sales are usually a counter trend trade. So I always stick to my buys. I never change them. And if you like to know how I trade against a trend, leave me a comment. And I'm working on a few videos, by the way, for you guys. So yeah, you should soon be able to see some of really quality material. But anyways, trade safe, guys. Leave me a comment if you have any questions. And yeah, trade safe. Don't overtrade. Don't revenge trade. And I'll see you guys next week. Take care.
Yeah, it's subscribe now, don't be late. Gemini trader dropping knowledge straight.